Hey everybody, what's up? It's your girl Tiffany. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. I hope you hit the subscribe button and stick around. If you are not new here, welcome back. Babe, I missed you. What's good? Today's video is going to be a tutorial. I'm literally not doing anything besides my brows on camera for you guys today. I mean, I have nothing else done besides my brows right now, and I have on some Carmax. That's literally all I got going on. She's just flawless. Okay, she's just nose a little dry, but she's good, period. Today's video is just going to be a updated brow routine because every time I post on Instagram like a picture or anything, I get a lot of requests on a video for my brows, and instead of doing one video for my high-end brow products and one video for my drugstore affordable brow products, I figured I would just mash them together and do kind of a battle of the brow situation. So that's what I have here today. I'm actually going to do, no, I'm not actually going to do, I already did it. My brows are done right now. I actually did one brow with my higher end brow products, and my concealer was higher end as well, and then I did the other side with my drugstore affordable brow products, and then my concealer was drugstore as well. So I do show them on the screen. Once I get into the video, you guys will see that, and I will if I remember to, leave the prices down in the description box for all the products, or put them on the screen if I remember to. Do not yell at me if I don't. If I don't put them in a video, y'all can tell me that in the comments to leave it down in the description box. Y'all can just do it. I'll go in here and I'll update the description box for y'all or whatever. So I'm super excited. But before we jump into the video, if you can guess, because both my brows look bomb. If you can guess which brow is drugstore and which brow is high end, leave it down in the comments. I want to see who can guess it because I got a little bit of mascara on. Y'all, I tried to fake like I had some lashes today. Who am I? But if you guys can guess which brow is high end and which brow, which brow is drugstore, I would be shook because both of my brows look bomb. This is literally how my brows look every single day. They look good. So you guys can guess it. You guys are rock stars. But without further ado, because I've talked long enough about nothing at all, let's just go ahead and jump into the video. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use my NYX micro brow in ash brown. This is literally my favorite drugstore brow pencil. Actually, I think this is the only one I've tried. No, that's a lie. I think I've tried one from Maybelline maybe forever ago, but as of late, recently, this is the only one I've tried. No, I love the ColourPop one too, but I don't have that one anymore. I used all of it and I never repurchased, but this is my favorite drugstore brow pencil for sure. So I'm going to take my L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer in 415 Honey. And I'm just going to take this brush. I believe this is a BH Cosmetics brush. Please don't quote me on that, but I'm pretty sure it's a BH Cosmetics brush. And I just like flattened it out with my fingers and I pressed it together and apply my concealer. Basically, I shaped them how I wanted to before doing this. So I didn't need to clean them up too much, but it was something. So I'm going to take my Precisely My Brow in shade number 4, and I'm going to smooth through my brows and brush them out. You know, they're struggle city still, but like they're not bad. We're working on them. I'm gonna take this to line the outside of my brow. If y'all hear something in the back, I'm watching a YouTube video and Ron's playing a game, so I'm sure you guys will hear him. But this is my favorite higher end brow pencil for sure. This is my second one, and it's very rare that I repurchase brow pencils and stuff. I don't really go through them that often, but I am obsessed with this one 110%. I brushed through my brows like 35 times while I'm doing them. So I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty pencil right now in medium brown and just fill in my brows and go over the benefit of Precisely My Brow just a little bit. But what I didn't say was the NYX Micro Brow, I would say it's kind of like a dupe for the Precisely My Brow. I thought the Precisely My Brow is a little bit creamier than the NYX Micro Brow. The NYX Micro Brow is a little bit like, it gives a little more tug, and it's a little bit more, I won't say dry. I feel like dry is the right word, but I'm looking over because Vine is coming at the end of the year, and I don't know, So I'm going to take my Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in Butterscotch. So this is definitely lighter than my L'Oreal concealer. So I use this to clean up my brows when I want them to be like a little bit more highlighted underneath instead of a more natural look. Because as you guys can see on the other side, you can really tell where I put the concealer at. Because that concealer isn't really a brightening concealer for me. It's just giving me a little tiny bit of highlight. The concealer like all the way basically in between my brows just to make sure it's putting it out good and it's not no harsh line. This one's taking a little bit more effort, but you know, we're getting there. I made it a little tiny bit too thick, so I just had to make sure it was cleaned up and even with the other side. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and we'll go. If y'all made it to the end of the video, you guys are bomb, okay? I literally just sat here and did my brows on camera for y'all, and it was nothing spectacular, nothing special, no awe, no pizzazz, no nothing in your face. I had a Mike's Hard black cherry lemonade, so that's why my tongue is red. If you guys are wondering, you probably weren't, but whatever. But you guys made it to the end of the video. You guys are the real MVPs. Thank you. Thank you. Y'all got my heart, okay? Okay. But if you didn't already subscribe before we jumped into it, then make sure you do that right now. Give this video a thumbs up since you just finished watching it and you enjoyed it or whatever. Give it a thumbs up and hit the notification bell so that way you never miss an upload from me. I will be uploading every Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday from now on at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, if you guys are wondering. And yeah, that's all I gotta say for this video. So like I always tell you guys, I'm your girl Tiffany. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.